Hi everyone, I decided to record a new video. Just quick update about the market. I know that a lot of people are scared, and I know that some people have altcoins that are a lot of down in their portfolio. And another thing is, yesterday I was recording a video, and I shared it even here on my on Twitter, this one, and here in Discord as well. But for me personally, I cannot open the video. I could upload it, but I cannot open to play or just to download and put it on my YouTube. So I'm trying to record one more time. Yesterday we took shorts on most altcoins in Discord, and I closed long positions before the dump. I mean, before the significant dump. Unfortunately, I couldn't short most alts on the best price levels. So let's quickly see what we may expect today. Let me go to Bitcoin probably, moment. So I was writing yesterday in Discord that this area is very interesting to look at, and we may have a bounce from here towards to this area. Okay, this area comes to 0.75 FVG level, and here, sorry, not FVG, but Fibonacci level, and here we have FVGs, and also this level come to strong Fib levels on for our time frame. So I would watch if, first of all, if the Bitcoin will give a bounce toward to this level, I will look to short from here. Of course, my short position will be invalidated if we see a bounce and the price is breaking above the 99,400 or comes towards to this level here we have at 100,764. For example, if we see that the price comes to this level, it means that most probably it will, with some correction, towards to 98, 99,000, it will continue going up. Okay, this will be a V-shape reversal, and this can be a really strong buy signal, same as we had here. You see, we had a strong dump, then pump, and then what did price do? It gave us a new all-time high. So same thing we may have. Okay, so probably towards to this level here. Something like this, because this level will still stand as a strong resistant level. Okay, previous all-time high. But we should first of all look at SP500, what it is doing here. So far, the price dropped back to these levels, still above strong support level. Let me look at daily. This daily candle I didn't like yesterday, but still, like, it's 50-50. Let me put Fips from this high to this low. So currently we have this area, as a resistance zone. Okay, so what we may have either the price comes and drops finally and goes it lower, as I said in previous videos, and as I was writing in Discord or Twitter, I would be happy to see a correction this month, because if we will do now all-time high, it will not be good. For me, it will be perfect to see some correction now, come to strong support zones and then like go all in, like buy also deep, let's say. So this is a first possibility. Another possibility is that the price managed to break above this 0.75 Fibonacci level or 5,995. In this case, it may just a bit correct towards to this previous resistance zone, but now support zone, and come towards to this resistance zone. In this case, most probably the price will break through this previous all-time high and will do a new all-time high. Okay, so watching, the market is very volatile. Honestly, it's really exhausting to trade market like this because right now, like this, what we're having here on the daily time frame, this is a chop. Okay, but this chop is really exhausting because every little level here is so important. Every close is so important. For example, if we will reject today and we will have another bearish candle, then next support will be here. Okay, so this can be also a dip. Then if it will not hold here, then it may go deeper, you know, then it can give us like 3-4% of a pullback down. So yeah, and you as a trader, you need to adapt all these conditions. Like this chop is really killing my brain. I feel so tired, just will be honest, like it's not easy. And of course, like you should be able to switch on time from longs to shorts, from shorts to longs, because especially if you trade altcoins, you can see how volatile they are. Like, and for example, all these days we had easy bounce, easy pumps of 16%, and then just in one day it dropped 12%, and now back like 14% in 2 days, you know. And of course, like, and here it was also a really strong like support level, you know, it could still go higher, like there were still a lot of like bullish signs. And of course, like it's hard to switch like a robot, you know, from one position to another position, because you need to wait for confirmations. But altcoins, they don't give you time. You should react super fast. And yeah, it makes really things annoying. So I think we will not have any significant moves until the US market will open. Probably we'll have some chop with like this, and here I would watch like for the reaction. And yeah, it is very important to look what SP500 does. And then let's go to weeks. Weeks also nothing, like on daily, of course, it looks bullish because we had this bullish candle close. RSI is above 50. So as I was telling in previous videos, I hope you watched this one and this one. I was telling you that I still expect to see wicks higher towards to this levels. And yesterday I took call on wicks and bought wicks as well, and it's already in profit. What else? What else? Gold may come here and reject. DXY. DXY looks very bullish. I was expecting it to come a bit lower towards to this level and then bounce, but it came to this FVG level on weekly and bounced, and so far it may come either to this previous all-time high, previous high, yeah, and reject, or towards to this level. Yeah, on 3 months it looks like it will go higher. It may go higher towards to this high. Okay, let's go back to Bitcoin and yeah, let's check Bitcoin dominance. Still looks bullish. Moment. Yeah, nothing changed. Same thing what I said here and here, like just to watch previous videos. Nothing changed for me for now. Let me go to total 3. So yeah, yesterday I was writing in Discord that we may have this kind of dump of 20% and come to this lows, not exactly to 6.48 million, but at around here. Because here we have a lot of support levels. And honestly, I was expecting the ALTS versus Bitcoin chart to come at least to this level and then reject. And I was talking about this in these videos as well. And so currently, let's see how weekly time frame will close, because if it will still hold above this gray box, then maybe alts will still show some strength and they will bounce from their lows that they are right now, and the price will come towards to this red box. And of course, if we want to have altcoins pump much higher, it needs to break this red box, and in this case we'll have a resistance zone at this area. So watching on a weekly close, or if we're talking about daily it's 50-50. We can see that it bounced from this FVG here, from this support area. So if today the market will be a little bit positive, or Bitcoin will be just in range, SP500 will be in range, in this case, maybe altcoins will bounce towards to this red box area. And of course, we need to see Bitcoin dominance to decline in the price. If Bitcoin dominance will be strong, then altcoins will still bleed. So yeah, moment, I want to put Fips. Currently, it has, on a 4-hour, it has this area as a resistance. So let's see if it will manage to break. Otherwise, it will nuke lower. What else? USDT dominance looks strong, looks bullish. Look, it flipped 50 on here. Moment, I need to check something. Yeah, but look, on November 4th, 2024, it had something similar. It flipped 50, but then the other day we had a red candle on USDT dominance, and it just dropped this much. Okay, so let's see, maybe USDT dominance will find a resistance here somewhere. Okay, it should not be exactly 4.44. Okay, it may already reject from this red box, as I draw here. In this case, for example, if we will have pump, then dump on another day, tomorrow, for example, and then maybe we will finally decline, and the Bitcoin will pump as well. In this case, Bitcoin will either find again support at around 92k, or if we will have on a daily time frame a close below 92,357. In this case, the price will just nuke towards to this region. Okay, so let's see. Like, I don't want also to scare people and be perma bearish or perma bullish, you know, say that, oh no, this is the top, this is the bottom, and now we'll go to, I don't know, an all-time high, or no, we'll go right away to 85k, you know. Every level is really important right now to watch. Let me go quickly to GBTC. Yeah, I was writing in a Discord that it can come drop this much, not exactly 64 level, but to this FVG here on a daily time frame, or either it may still find a support at around this 50 EMA. Like, this scenario is let's say less aggressive. Same here. It can just chop at around this low. So this scenario is less aggressive. So it may give us, like, I don't know, 10% down. And here, like 7 to 5% up, you know. And in this case, 7 also. Like, right now I have two scenarios. Either we will just drop a little bit towards this, like, let's say 7% down, or versus 15% down. And if you go to SP500, it will be either 1% down, 2% down, or 5% down on SP500. So let's see, let's watch. Don't panic. If you have your ALTS down, then let me just open any. Yeah. If you got moment. If you could open this video on that I sent you on Twitter, on Discord, then in this video I already told you like what you should do with altcoins, where to buy. But if you couldn't open as me, then just a quick explanation what to do right now. And nothing is so hard. Okay, just take Fibonacci. Take this low, this high. You see this 0.75. This is where you can look for longs, or use this FVG indicator. This is the best one. I recommend it to everyone. And what you do, you go to weekly as well. You find this FVGs. So you try to look to buy at these areas, okay? And if we put Fibs, so at around 0.75 or at around this weekly FVG. Easy. Let's go to another coin. For example, you can say, but look, we don't have any FVG here. You take this low, this high. This is your area, 0.75, or another trick is you look how candles on a weekly time frame, they were bouncing from the level. And I take this 0.1137 because from this level the coin was bouncing many times. So this can be a good support zone. Yes, and then just I'm taking random coins just to show you what to do in case you're down. Let's look at this one. For example, we take this low, this high. Okay, it already came, 0.75 was here, it bounced, but what to do right now? This coin, we can take this level. Why this level? Because look, we had a bounce from this area, and this candle close on a weekly, it tells us that this level can be really interesting and really strong. And if we don't see anything like this, but we see like a weekly close below this area, then most probably it will come to this previous low. But this scenario can be only if USDT dominance, or let's go to SP500, only if SP500 will dump towards to this level or this level. And USDT dominance will pump towards to, let's say, this area. So if it will pump like 20% and GBTC will dump 20% and Bitcoin will dump also like 11%. You know, this is the worst case. This is what, this is the worst case for altcoins. Or for example, you see a coin like this that was pumping a lot, that was showing really significant strengths lately, like previous months. What to do in this case? In this case, you put Fibonacci, you look, you use this FVG, and you see I already have these levels. So these three levels for me interesting. Or you take this level at 0.75 and look what will happen here. And worst case, this level. Okay, so this is a free trick for you, what you can do with altcoins. And of course, go to lower time frame, check how it is going on a daily time frame. You should see significant strengths on lower time frames. For example, a really good signal can be some bullish divergence on the RSI on a daily time frame or 12-hour, 6-hour. You know, for example, just an example, the price drops towards to this area, and you don't know what to do here. Let's say. Then you should look on the RSI. Here you should see, first of all, the price of the RSI should be at the same low as it was before when it started to bounce significantly. For example, if the RSI comes to 30, 31, I may start buying, because before, when RSI came to 31, 32 on this coin, what did it do? It gave us this kind of bullish move, right? And here as well. See, here as well. See, it's not that hard. Just you should pay attention and just write down all these tricks that I told you right now, and just follow them, and you will make money. It sounds pretty easy. You just need to follow. So, in conclusion, we will look how the market will react today, how it will open. I still have short positions. Here I was sharing. All of them are in profit. I'm gonna hold them for now, and I will see how the market will open, and either I will just keep my shorts, either I will open longs. I will see. I don't want to do anything right now. I will just watch. And yeah, like so far shorts are in priority. Once I see like significant strengths, let's see now what Bitcoin will do here. So once I see significant strengths in the market, I will start buying. But for now, no longs for me. Or maybe just scalp with super tiny stop loss. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, I would like to see your likes, comments, and share this video with people who also in crypto and don't know what to do. And I hope that this video was really helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.